Hi everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound of group 7. And this time we have this sound. And the sound is ow. Okay, can you please say together with me? Ow, ow. Alright, now we are going to say the sound along with the action. And the action is pretend your finger is a needle and prick your thumb. Okay, so like we said, ow, ow, ow. Okay, let's do it together. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, very good. Alright, and now let's say the words that have ow, ow sound. Okay, please repeat after me. Cloud, mouth, mouse, house, shout, trout. Okay, let's say it one more time, please. Cloud, mouth, mouse, house, shout, trout. Yay! Very good, everyone. And now it's activity time. Identify the name of these pictures, of course, with the ow, ow, ow sound. Okay, let's start. Alright, what is this? Excellent, it's cloud. What about this? Yes, you're right, it's mouth. What about this? Very good, it's a mouse. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Next, we have this picture. What is this? Very good, it's a house. Okay, good job, everyone. So, now it's time for you to have your riddle. Enjoy it.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is the part of our body that we use to talk and eat. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's our mouth. Yay! We did it, friends. Good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Okay, everybody. Now let's have a review about our phonics sound today. And one more time, let's say together the sound. Yes, ow, ow, ow. Good job. Alright, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.